Well. I mentioned in the last update video that things would start moving quickly, and look, things have started moving quickly. The fridge is even in, and there's a stand for the furnace. There's chest 1 and 2, and the 3 was there in the last one. So it looks pretty nice. Um, uh, yeah, things move quickly. Actually, I've just kind of relaxed more or less and organized the drawers, of which I guess there's 9, 18, 27 drawers. A lot of drawers, a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff. But there's still space in a lot of these drawers. You know, food, waters, milk. Just trying to think about what to put in there. Obviously, I don't need all these, but I shop at Costco, so there tends to be a lot of things. I was thinking about a drawer for shoes, maybe. I don't know. Stuff. This needs more stuff in it, obviously. Costco again, so. A bunch of stuff. Paperwork. Game drawer. Clothes. Batteries and stuff. There's room in that drawer. Odds and ends. I could probably organize that drawer a little bit more. I mean, this drawer's got some room in it. Food. Have some more in that drawer. I don't know. Stuff that, it's based on size, a lot of it. This is kind of the cord drawer, which I'm sure I could get rid of some stuff. Camera drawer. Tools. Yeah, so you get the feeling of kind of what's around. This drawer has lots of open room still. Tools, lots of tapes and stuff. How did I amass this much tape? I don't know. More tools, Dremel tools, and books. Don't know if that's all matchy-matchy. Drills, and more tools. Tools that are bigger. I feel like that could be maximized better. More room still. Some screws and odds and ends and stuff. Same with this. Tools I don't access as much. Another computer drawer. There you go. Lots of stuff. And the idea here is, let's get down low. There is space under here. So this is what, I guess this is all new. This bracket, welded nicely, painted. Okay, so this is the big recent debate is, should we have done all the flooring before putting these in? Probably would have made things a lot easier. My sister-in-law believes that to be the case. I guess we could, but I mean, it's so heavy now with all this stuff in there. I get her point. But will we even see on that side? That is the point. There should be a board here. You know what I'm saying? There should be a board to block that. This shouldn't be just open. So we shouldn't see on that side too often. I don't want to see these batteries. So this is the test. I got the Lion Energy 1300 watt battery, that is. And it can fit this way. 2 of them could fit easily right here. And then maybe I could put the 24 to 12 volt adapter here. And then the inverter hopefully fits here. Haven't tested it out. I've got all the stuff out of the fridge to get cleaned. So hopefully the inverter charger, 2 batteries, and then the 24 to 12 here. Though that's obviously could have a lot more space there. However, what's kind of funny is this battery doesn't fit by like a millimeter, so we may have to put something down so that I can be above that. But it would have been nice to fit inside of that, because then it would have helped the rattling around. Obviously you could put the batteries like this and the other one there, but I do want to build it out with a 4 battery instead of a 2 battery in mind. So over here, haven't really figured out what to go in that big huge area or in this smaller area. So that area has an outside access. Not that I know what to put in there. And we still got to do all the wiring, so it's just kind of sitting there. But this is what happens when you have a brother that can engineer something nice and then build it. I did help with the grinding, the painting, drilled the holes, screwed them down, so I do a little bit. But this is the test here to see if these 11-inch ones go inside of here easily enough. Sorry, I wasn't filming very well. I guess it kind of, but it doesn't really fit inside of that. So the height is fine, and sticks out a little bit. So the board, not exactly sure what's, I think it's going to go alongside of this. So yeah, not sure. How about an 11-inch thing inside of this? Yeah, something heavy down there maybe? Waters? Kind of hits right there. Guess you could cut that off. So, testing out a few things, moving things around. This is all stuff that I probably just put in storage. Grabbing some stuff out, putting it away to not use. So the fridge, this is one thing, is we're gonna have to make it so it's insulated from well, there's an under the fridge. Let me check it. Okay. So down under there's a under fridge. The draft comes up, and then this is gonna have to be wrap around to grab all of this hot air that comes out of the fridge. And we're missing a bolt, maybe. Anyways, so that's gonna have to grab it so all the hot air goes up and out, and there'll be a counter on top of this. You'll see it soon, update videos. The back bed area, the floor should be in by tomorrow. The desk is getting a trim and epoxy, and then will be put in. Hopefully that's soon, because I gotta work. I gotta slide that computer chair under the big monitor and get some work done. Oh, here's interesting. Not exactly sure what to do back here, but it looks like a good storage space of something large. But what I love is how much space there is. It is nice. It's much more space than it previously had. So it kind of looks like a, I mean, you could say it kind of looks like a mechanics sort of room, but it is very nice to have all these drawers. And it will not just be these, I mean, there's going to be a little extra storage for cubes, storage for larger things and more clothes and stuff. So, closet's looking nice. I've got all that stuff to sort out. And then we've got that piece of metal back there to put all the DC stuff onto it. That's later though. Just thought I'd give you a tour. That gets all fixed up on Tuesday, that arrives. Lights and stuff like that, all the electrical stuff will soon be figured out. So, just kind of cleaning up, floors before the desk. So that's coming soon. So don't know how fun that's going to be tomorrow. Could be a lot of fun. And yeah, that's a pretty decent update. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and I got a new thermostat. I wanted it to tell me the temperature and not just set the temperature. And it looks pretty decent, so that's why I got it.